This is what we walk into. And traffic.
That's it.
This is all of Ireland. It's all a scam. Driving on the left-hand side of the road. Don't look at me, just look straight.
It's terrifying. And I got a stick shift too, so that makes it even worse.
Boinne burial site, or Boinne Valley Tombs. Little is known about the actual site, but they do know it predates the Egyptian pyramids. During the winter solstice, the sun would be positioned perfectly to light up the innermost chamber inside.
This is a 2-car road. If someone comes towards us, we have to try and find some space somewhere to get over.
Alright, so we're done with technically this is day 1 of Ireland trip. Yesterday didn't really count.
Yesterday we just slept.
We parked our car. Driving was a pain, but we got used to it. And now we're staying here at Bonington Inn. So, hey, good morning. Where are we?
We're in Newcastle at the Briers cottage.
Ooh. And it's rainy and windy and awesome. All right, day number 2 of the trip. It is windy, like so windy in this car. So awesome. Stick shift. Whew, look at that. That's where we stayed. In Belfast, we visited the Titanic exhibit. We saw where the Titanic was built, and even saw the site where it was launched into the ocean for the first time.
The 2 freight trains weigh 80 tons apiece, along with 6 massive eggs, 1,000 sweetbreads, and 8,000 cigars. At 7 a.m., Captain Edward John Smith came aboard the Titanic to prepare for the board.
That's the foremast. It's incredible how it's just still preserved. That's the entry to the crow's nest. Wow. That's where they saw the iceberg from.
Hello, we're in Belfast at the St. Patrick's Parade. It's raining.
It is raining. St. Patrick's Day is no laughing matter in Belfast. Thousands of people showed up for the celebration. There was a large parade, and even live music in the local pubs. Alright, Tori, where are we today?
We're at Carrickfergus Castle, and I'm probably pronouncing that wrong.
So we celebrated St. Patrick's Day yesterday, and we were in Belfast, Ireland. Had a good time. Yes, now we're just on our way to Giant's Causeway, but we're stopping for the day to look at some castles and
Stay in a haunted bed and breakfast where a man got mad at his wife for cheating and murdered them.
and eat some food and have a good time. Alright, we're in the castle. This is what's called the murder hole, where I'm told people get trapped down below and they pour poo-poo on top of them and tar and other stuff. I'm not really sure what this... Oh, this is the gate that they cut and it goes down, and that's what traps them.
The poor child.
The more you know. Alright, come on, guys. Cantina Cribs Medieval Edition. Yo, check out my torture cell, yo. This is the basement. Alright, check it out. Got 3 walls, can't escape. I killed like 50 guys in here. This is where they sacrifice virgins and shit. Eat rats. Where did Tori go? I can't find her. I don't know where she went. Ah! Alright, where are we?
We're in Dunluce Castle. It's cold.
It's really cold, but it is really crazy awesome. So we're here at the Giant's Causeway, and we've got quite a lovely view of, this is our hotel. We're standing in the back. Here's the inside of our room at the Causeway. Thank you, Tori. So we're here at the Giant's Causeway. We're about to see some really cool looking rocks. On the Aran Islands and found some ruins, and there's I don't know what you say, a group of seals in this cove over there. You can't really see them, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So we stopped for a second, and yeah, we're gonna spend the day on the island. Don't. It's so close. Oh my gosh. It gives me a heart attack.
That's a Bartis.
Don Augustus. It's a bunch of cliffs. It's pretty cool. It is the site of ancient Irish legends. Many folklore stories surround the Cliffs of Moher. You may also recognize it from movies such as Harry Potter and The Princess Bride. Wow, that's so crazy. We're in Boinne National Park. Rocky Hills. So we're in Boinne National Park. And what's funny is in Ireland you'll notice there's walls that go on for days everywhere. And I was like, where the hell did they get all these rocks? But now we know. Literally there's just miles and miles of rocks just covering mountains and everything. It's great. So mystery solved. That again. So we're in the Blarney Castle.
It's a dead end. Oh, it's a dead end.
Yeah, it just dead ends. There's just a bunch of writing back here. So we followed a tunnel all the way to this little stand-up area. And there's really nothing except for some graffiti, but we're gonna make our way through this cave down here and yeah, keep exploring. Blarney Castle is a medieval stronghold in Blarney, near Cork, Ireland. Of course, we had to check out the Blarney Stone. Those who kiss it are said to be bestowed the gift of eloquence and flattery. All right, Tori.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! That's terrifying. So we're here in the Rock of Cashel. It's actually one of the first historical sites in Ireland. This is actually an abbey found right off of the site, but as you can see, the castle itself is right over there. St. Patrick's Cathedral is there, and it's just more of a place of worship, not so much a historical place of battle or anything like that, but nevertheless, a sight to see when you're here in Ireland. Yeah. So apparently this is a haunted castle called Leap Castle. So Tori brought us here, so if we die now you'll know.
Most haunted in Ireland, if not the world.
I looked up what it was, but I can't remember. I know it was last year, but I can't remember
Was it
what
the,
it was.
Was it the priest?
Is that a crib up there?
We're in the castle. We found this creepy little room.
Oh, this is good. I think this is where we.
Is this a way to go up? Mm-hmm. You said to bolt it when you're done?
Yeah.
Whoa. So we found the, what is it, I guess, room at the top of the castle?
Top of the tower.
Top of the tower. And it was really cool because we got there's no lights up here, so Tori got a flashlight. And in here. You want to tell us any ghost stories?
Well, down the Blood Chapel that we just left, a priest was murdered and left for dead for weeks until someone finally came and found him. Here's some of the ruins.
Dublin is the capital of the Republic of Ireland, and it's located on Ireland's eastern coast. Home of St. Patrick's Cathedral, the National Museum of Ireland, and the Trinity College. Trinity College is infamous for its library and the Book of Kells, illuminated illustrations of the Christian Gospels dating from 800 AD. We had an amazing time in Ireland. The people were extremely nice, the food was amazing, and I enjoyed driving my Mini Coupe. Overall, I'm glad we came, and we will miss it dearly.